Hi, John here. In this video I would like to talk about 4 most important Facebook ad metrics that you should watch and that will help you to stay in profit. But first, if you are watching my videos every day and you like my content and you're still not subscribed, then definitely subscribe to my channel, hit that bell button, and if you have some ideas about some future videos, because I'm looking for ideas like every day, then definitely leave a comment below. First, super important metric, and it's kind of like obvious, are clicks. And I don't mean like normal clicks, but link clicks, which means that basically that person who saw your ad clicked on that call to action button or just clicked on a link that you put in text field. For me, clicks are super important for example, completely new ads, because there I'm kind of like checking if that new promotion is like worth it, and if I'm seeing that I'm using some ad, especially like in newsfeed with call to action button, and clicks are like super expensive, like $2 or $3, I just know that that ad is not working properly, that video is probably like, or image is probably not working properly, and that it's possible that I will just lose money on this. However, if I'm seeing like some like good clicks, like cheaper, like half a dollar or something, and I see also like some higher CTR, click-through rate, then yeah, this is like great indicator for you to see that your ad is working. Basically, those clicks are super important at the beginning, so you know that you are not just burning blindly money, that if that ad has really like some potential and everything is like set up properly, that video is working, text is working, headline is working, and all these things that basically create that one, that complete ad, that everything like works together. So that's why like clicks are super important. Second most important metric are add to carts. For me, add to carts are like great sign from the start of a day if my whole promotion will work. Basically, even before I will get a lot of conversions for my ad sets, I basically can even see from the beginning that when they are start getting those like add to carts, what kind of like deal this will be. Because, well, if you are running something already like tested, you or like proven product, you can say based on your add to carts and cost per add to carts what kind of day you will have, if it will be like a profitable day or not, or if it will be like completely bad day and you should be a little bit more aggressive on your ad sets, So for example, I have like a product, I was selling it for like $25 with shipping and usually I was getting add to carts for like $4, So, and when I was getting for $4, I knew that that day will be around like 2 ROAS, but when I was getting add to carts around like $6, I knew that okay, this day will not be so great, so I will be a little bit like more aggressive on everything. Otherwise, I will just have a lot of like lost profit. I will lose and I will burn a lot of money. So I will be like more aggressive the day to like cover these losses and like increase my profit a little bit. So I will spend less that day, but I will be like more aggressive. And because I'm more aggressive on those ad sets, I will push that ROAS higher a little bit like manually basically. So it's like very important to also like watch your add to carts, because it will basically tell you if that day you should be like a little bit more aggressive, or it's like normal day where you should let, for example, your rules just like take care about everything. Third most important metric for me is, well, purchase conversion value. I want to see always, next to my ad spend the day, how much those sales like bring over like a revenue, right? So I want to see that, okay, I spent $1,000 and I got like $2,000 of revenue. That's like very important for me. Also, because it's super important for me to understand that also if Facebook is like getting all these like conversions, right? Because I mean, sometimes, especially with Shopify, I don't know why, but Shopify has like days when it misses like 20 or 30% of conversions, So Facebook is like not getting like a lot of that feedback from the pixel back, and then it's not optimizing properly and it's killing ad sets without any reason, Sometimes ad sets that converted, but Facebook just doesn't see it and kill that ad set. I mean, with those optimization rules. So I'm like also like using this metric, to see if Facebook is really like getting all these sales properly, if all those numbers are like very close to those numbers that I have in, for example, Shopify or Commerce HQ. So I know that all optimization is like correct and everything is like working fine, you know. And also you just want to know, you know, like that you spent this and made that. And fourth most important metric for me is ROAS. Basically that's a return on ad spend. Basically you measure ROAS based on like revenue that you got from dollars you spent on your advertising that day. So I want to always know like what's my ROAS, you know, and like what's my ROAS in different like hours, you know, and like through day, because like ROAS is like super important. Based on ROAS, you know that if you are in profit or not, you know, because with every product you should know what is your like break-even ROAS, you know, and you should be able to like calculate it, so you know that okay, today I'm like right now I'm running like at 1.7 ROAS, it's like fine, you know, I'm still in like profit, or like you are above 2 ROAS, you know, it's a great day. And also based on the ROAS, you will know if you should be that day like a little bit more aggressive on your ads, you know, because if your ROAS is like a little bit low, you can kill a lot of ad sets and basically it will immediately like increase that overall ROAS and you will like not burn so much money, you know. So it's very important to know your ROAS, because that's like indicator of if you are in profit or loss, you know, and if you should be like more aggressive or just let it go, you know, or maybe even like add more ad sets, you know, the day to your campaigns, you know, so you can spend more money if you are like on some like good ROAS wave, you know, with Facebook. Thank you very much for watching. Definitely join Ad Federation. It's my free Facebook mastermind group. So if you have some more advanced questions about Facebook or some questions about e-commerce, definitely join Ad Federation today. There are like people who spend millions of dollars, you know, every month on advertising, and you will also have like a direct connection to me. So definitely join Ad Federation today. And also, if you got recently flagged or your Facebook profile advertising access was restricted, or you just need to completely like restart the promotion because you got like your like whole business banned from Facebook, then definitely download my free Facebook ADSPEND survival guide. You know, it will help you out of that Facebook circle of hell, so you will be able to restart the promotion properly without like looking behind your shoulder. Facebook is like a knife, you know, like stabbing you to the back. And you will be able to like restart a promotion and just keep going with everything, so you can like keep selling your products, services, you know, and like all that stuff, and make money like on daily basis, you know, with like some stability. So definitely download my free Facebook ADSPEND survival guide. Thank you for watching, and I will see you tomorrow with next video. So bye.